listen to is jealousy. All I care about is freaking you. All I care about is freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another and today I'm gonna be doing my lash review because a lot of y'all from my previous videos, like a couple weeks ago, had asked me if I got my lashes done or if I did them myself. And so I just wanted to come on here and be like, let me just show y'all how I do my lashes. Okay, so the key to having a nice, you know, stable bond and lash routine is making sure that, you can't see me, making sure that you wash your face, like wash it. And also, today is my first time taking off my lashes. I've had them on for like a week and a half. So I have like leftover lash crust and bro, all that. Make sure you get all of that. I don't have any lash remover. I really need to what is it called? Cause see, you see this? You don't want that to happen. You don't want to pull out your natural lashes. So, sorry there's a little echoey in here. I'm in the bathroom. But I use the lashes from TikTok shop. I know y'all probably like Mira. Are they good? Yes. So, and these are like the individual ones. I don't get the lashes that are together and you gotta cut it and doing all that. That's doing too much. But I used these lashes and I used the super strong hold eyelash adhesive clear. Hold on, can you see it? And I used this certain one because my eyelashes are very sensitive. That's why I had to stop getting lash extensions, because a couple years ago, like 2021, 2022, I was wearing lash extensions and I couldn't get them because my eyes would be swollen and red after I got them done. So when I found out about this method, I was like, oh yeah. But then I used the Kiss Aloe lash adhesive and it broke my eyes out and I couldn't do it. So that was just no, completely no. Step one, I put the super strong hold adhesive on my lashes and then I go in with the lashes. So I'm gonna show y'all. So take a little bit of the adhesive and I want to be like close up for y'all. So I take it and I apply it to my lashes. That was a little bit too much. That's okay. So y'all seen in that clip what I did. I'm gonna use this mirror like this. It may be too much and y'all are like, I don't know about that. My eye is getting watery though, because I did get it in my eye. Blow dry that. Fan dry that before I put on these lashes. Wait, get on some Vaseline too, so y'all won't be in the comments capping on me. I can watch your lips dry. Don't come for me. I'm just playing. So now I'm gonna go in with the lashes, and I don't start with the inside out. I start with the outside in. I mean, I probably like mirror what, but some people do that. You would be surprised. Some people do that. So I'm gonna take the lash. Can you see it? Let me do the hand thing again. This is the lash. And you're gonna apply it to the bottom, the bottom of your lashes. So, oh, there's glue stuck. Okay, oh my god, this is kind of hard. Like so. And you put it under. And you just repeat the same as you go with the lashes. So, I'm gonna take this one. You're just gonna repeat under the lash, like so. Like that, but you see it? But I'm gonna place it better because I was just trying to show y'all how it looks. Like this. Okay? And you're gonna keep going until you fill in the whole lash, basically. Take another piece. It does take a lot of patience because you gotta make sure that you place the lash right. That's another one. Who is that? Bessie's on the way. If you don't get that happy when your best friend's on the way, if y'all don't know my best friends, been here for like a couple days. But if y'all don't get happy when your bestie says she coming home, something wrong. You ain't real besties, cause I be ready for her to come home. On the inner corner lash now, let me do the little YouTube thing. With the inner lash, I put glue on the top because my corners are very small. As you can see, they're very small. So I just put a little bit at the top of the lash. Just a little bit. Like this. And then we're gonna place it. Like so. Now I'm gonna pinch the inner corners of my eyes, y'all. I might gotta fix the inner corner because as y'all see, it's all the way over here. And it may be a problem when I sleep because I can feel it just a little bit. But besides that, this is the lash. And then I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side, but I'm gonna speed up the process so y'all ain't gotta watch.
Extra. These shit.
These are the lashes. I just go in with like a little brush. The mouth so they look together. There is a little spacing right here that I normally fill in with some like individual lashes, but I don't have any, so the little spaces are just gonna have to stay there. This side is a little fuller than this side because I scooped this one up more than this one, but I'm not really tripping about it. And then this, I messed up on this lash real bad, but so this is the final product. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what y'all want me to do in the next video. And don't forget to press that notification button when you subscribe so you get notified every time I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And yeah, I love you guys. We got this thing.